Hi, are you searching for the best home business security system on the market? Are you needing great peace of mind knowing your house or business are safe and sound while you're getting live monitoring updates from your phone? How about knowing your pets and family are safe from intrusions? You see, my friends, businesses and homeowners are being robbed from grandma's silverware to the sandwich on your countertop every single day of the week. And we've got you covered, friends. Security isn't a do-it-yourself kind of thing. We can help you with that. You see, we're giving away a free installation on the #1 rated best home security system, and you are going to be able to sleep easy saving money today. There's no questions asked. We are top of the line best home alarm system on the market, giving away a special discount for those of you who call today. If you call this number right now for the limited time bonuses included, it's going to be gone soon, and this is your fair warning. You're going to be able to speak with a top home security sales representative where they're going to break down how you're going to be saving money with us. You see, my friends, we have testimonials to back it up, like Ron Chang and his family. He says, "My mother and our family would like to take this opportunity to thank you. Without the best home security system, our home could have been destroyed by the recent intruders in the neighborhood." Another example, Sandy Bass, Elon out of North Carolina, she talks about the carbon monoxide system that's included in the alarm system. She says, "It was probably a smart thing to have, but had the rep that talked to me not have suggested it, I might not have gotten one. It was a blessing that spared my life. If they hadn't installed that carbon monoxide detector, this story would have turned out differently." You see, there are no questions asked, my friends. We are the top of the line best home alarm system on the market. We are not charging high prices like everybody else, and we truly do have the best system money can buy. And we are giving away today only, and this week only, a free installation. So if you call in today, you better be ready to get a free installation and take action on this system, because we are going to help you at a special discounted price once you call this phone number